Campers, Kansas Farm Guy here. So, we had some massive developments. 1st of July, we've been 2 months, been busy. So, apparently Mr. Ferguson, the owner of the John Deere dealership and some other enterprises in town, has gone south of the border. Apparently he owed the bank a huge chunk of money and the IRS. So the bank took the dealership, sold all the equipment, and have currently kind of locked the building. They've got couple of the admin folks here working. But the bank cut me a deal. He had some equipment that he had taken a personal loan out with the bank on. Some of it he had paid almost all the way off, and some of it he didn't. But the bank cut me a deal on all of it. So I got that big John Deere planter that I had possession of. The Bosch seeder and air cart, and this cotton harvester. I bought it all for $400,000. So we did the deal. I sold all of my old Uncle Robert's property out there. By the time I was done with it, I cleared about 2.1 million. So I've been busy. We've done a lot of improvements up at the farm. And after buying the equipment from the bank for what they wanted for it, I'm down to $180,000. But that's a lot better than the $14,000 I had before. So we're going to take this harvester back to the ranch. And we are ready to harvest. We've got oats, we've got wheat. Ooh. We've got a lot of things ready to go. Boy, I put that way too close to the cab. Yeah, alright, we gotta back this off a little bit. Let's back this puppy up a little. Keep it from falling off the trailer. Ooh. Alright. There we go. Tie that bad boy down. Alright, now that's a little better. Bad boy home. Car, kind of stuck. They were nice enough, actually tall enough to take me underneath. Oh boy. Alright. Man, I don't know if we can get it across the bridge. I think we will be able to. But anyway, so we made a lot of improvements on the property. I got my beehive moved over. We got all those greenhouses into production. Car, don't come across. Don't come across. So yeah, we got the beehive going, I got some honey going, we got the, you know what, I'm not even going to try, I'm going to cut across. There's no way I was going to make that. We were probably going to clip this sign, nope. months. We've got the greenhouses in full production. The apple trees, we cleaned those up, and they are producing apples. My wife is kind of taking on that project. She's decided that she's going to take care of the apples. We sell a few to the local market, but most of them she crates up and ships off to, I think she's shipping a lot to Cheyenne, Wyoming, or someplace like that. I don't really pay attention to it. I just do that. Yeah, honey, I can come help you. Hold on. Thing. So yeah. Built some couple new sheds out here. I think I spent like 1.2 million on improvements on the property, sheds and whatnot. Yeah, we're getting real close. You'll be able to see. Boy, I don't know if I can get this to the gate. We may have to go through the back gate. I cleaned up the back gate a little bit, so improve the both sides of the bridge. This is going to be close. Nope. Alright, back gate it is. Actually, I probably just unload it right here and drive it. You know what? Now that I'm thinking about it, that might be a better option. That's probably going to be a better option than that's going to be a better option than trying to go through that creek. Alright. Let's get this bad boy unloaded without falling off the trailer. He's scraping. Oh no! No. What am I doing? Press the wrong button. Doggone it. Hello. Fly. Good job. Yeah. Alright, well, I'm wondering if I can just yank the trailer out from underneath it. Well, of course it's going to tow it. Well, telephone pole. Ditch there. Alright, well. Aha! There is a tremendous amount of elk around here. Yep. It's one of the things about moving next to this mountain. Holy crap. What am I hitting now? Fence. That silly decorative fence. Alright. We'll have to move that. Back gate it is. Stuck on the mailbox. Holy crap. Alright, let's go. Holy freaking for holy. So yeah, I got the mower out and I mowed all the brush out among all the trees. Made this look nice, you know. It's really nice. Whoa, 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 where are we going? Hello. Hey, McFly. Straighten up. Should be able to get through this. So yeah, we cleaned things up a little bit. Some mowing done. Cleaned the trees out. Yeah. Got the grass replanted. Put in some bins there. The one on the little skinny one on the left is our seed bin, and the other one my solid fertilizer bin. This one greenhouse, I'll show you here in a second. This one greenhouse totally sucks up solid fertilizer like business. Back we'll go back to the truck later. Alright. So yeah, I put this shed in. This is the same. This is my shed from up on the hill. The new owner didn't want it. So all I had to pay for was the movement of the building. They literally took it down and poured new flooring and put it back up. Took almost a month. But yeah, this greenhouse, man, I had to put in a well and a distribution unit just to support this greenhouse because it really sucked. And as you can see, you know, it uses a huge amount of water, huge amount of seeds and solid fertilizer and herbicide. But I got 73,000 liters of grapes and 71,000 liters of olives in here. 5,000 tomato. Look at this. And potatoes, man. You know what? Yeah. So we're doing really well with that. All right. Doggone it. Mouse. Yeah. So my melons, my watermelon and cantaloupe greenhouses are doing well. We just harvested over here, so we got a new crop coming in. But yeah, things are looking up. Things are looking really good up here. So we've cleaned things up a little bit, as you can see. Yeah, cleaned things up really well. I want to show you. I'm gonna take a ride in the beast here. So I discovered something when I was cleaning all this brush up back here when I replanted my backyard. I found an old defunct bridge. I don't know if defunct is the word, but it looked like it was just a bridge they put across here to walk across. But if you're careful enough, you can cross it. What I found an old logging camp. Oh, this is that road that goes up there. I found an old logging camp. I also found at the head, I found the head of this river outlet up here. This is what led me to I was just out here walking. And I found this old little shack and an outhouse. And kind of some debris and pipe and whatnot. But this is an old water pump. So they were pumping water out of here, and I'm like, well, where were they going with it? I mean, they had pipe out here. See a pile of pipe there and some other crap. So I started walking out here, and I found an old logging camp. Let's see if I can find it. Yeah, here it is. So there's an old log. I'm pretty sure that's what this was. Shed up here. There's tracks. And there's the road. But you can see where this was all logged out. And so it was an old logging crowd. There's a little kind of a road. But you can see the new growth. And I cut I cut a tree down because I was trying to figure out what was up there. But yeah. So this trail, interestingly enough, if you follow it, runs up here to the top of the mountain. Now we're on that walking trail, the Continental Trail. So yeah, come up to this Continental Trail, and I found out I had to but I had to go do some research. But there is a cellular tower here, and a couple radio towers, and then a big giant radio tower up here at the top of the hill. What I discovered was this is my property. This is on my property. This mountain's top here is on my property. My property goes just down into the trees a ways, but these two ridges are in my property. So once I made some inquiries at the county, what do you call it? Treasurer's office. Sayer's office, I don't know what freaking office it was, but they told me, yeah, they have a lease. That's one company, and these 3 towers are another company. But I get paid for these things every month. I get a check, and apparently with the transfer of sale of the land, when finally all the paperwork went through, the company was notified that, hey, there's a new owner and you need to pay him now instead of the other guy. So yeah. So that was kind of cool. A little check, subsidy check every month. So yeah, it was very cool. Well, anyway, that was kind of a neat discovery that I discovered. I thought maybe you guys might be interested in it. See if I can get through these trees without wrecking. Village. Oh, crap. I'm scared. It had to be a walking trail because there's no way any vehicle other than an ATV would be able to get across them. But yeah. I'm gonna have to mow. Let my ground, let it grow in before I mow. So yeah. Get the apple trees going. Oh yeah. Other shit. I put in a pallet shed, some bales. Excuse me. But I built this little shed. I went to Tractor Supply and got the parts for it. But I wanted something to house this ginormosity. Keep it out of the weather. So it's pull through on the other end. Just drive through. Nothing major. Cost me $6,000. The other thing I did, oh yeah, all the log machine. I'll talk about that here in a second. But I went ahead and planted that. If you remember that little, there was a little acreage that was already dug up. So I went ahead and plowed the rest of it up. This meadow, plowed this meadow up and planted it to grass so I can have hay. You know, that meadow was here would have produced hay, but not at the rate of this. So this is all of Ferguson's logging equipment. If you remember, it was down there at my property. Oh, I put in a limestone crusher. That was 10 grand. The cost of lime, I figured it'd pay for itself after a while. But anyway, so the logging equipment is still in limbo on the ownership of it. He owes, I think the fueler is paid for. The 3 trucks are paid for in trailers, but I think he owes money on the wood cutter and the wood hauler thing, whatever the hell you call that thing. So the bank has asked me to just not touch it, but it's just parked there until the bank decides what they want to do with it. Might be possible for me to buy that later. I'm not sure yet. We'll have to see what the bank has to say about it. I don't have the money for it. I really don't want to get a loan for it, but we'll see what the bank has to say. They're not going to. The banker told me they wouldn't get much out of it, but they might really want to cut me a deal. What else? So I got my original truck. And then I went and bought me a nice new Dodge. I bought me a good, look at this. This is beautiful. Look at the wood. Yeah. So yeah. All right, well, campers, that's where we're at right now. We're gonna go down here and get the combine and start harvesting. We've got a lot to harvest. Once I get some of these grains in the grain bin, I'm going to get some chickens because I gotta have feed, but I don't want to buy it, so I'm waiting on chickens until I get some of those oats and some of that wheat harvested. I'll probably just feed them wheat for now until I can get a barley patch planted, but barley yields are higher than wheat yields, so holy crap, look at all the honey I got up here. Wow. I'm gonna have to make a honey run. But yeah, I'm gonna get some chickens. It's 500 chicken capacity. Before I do that though, I want to get a smaller coop. Probably gonna put it back over there for any of the male when they breed. Any of the male chickens, I'll move them over there because they don't do anything. But I'll just move them over there and fatten them up and sell them. Keep the hens. But guys, that's where we're at. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the new tour or the new digs. We're going to do some harvesting, and hopefully when I come back we'll have harvest done, and I get some chickens in here, and we'll get some straw collected, and the hay patches are ready to mow, and get some hay in here, and we can start filling up the cattle feedlot. We can start buying cattle, get our cattle operation going. Well guys, I'm going to jump in the Reaper 2000 here, and I'm going to go start harvesting. So Kansas Farm Guy, I thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys coming back. It's been kind of steady on the views. Like and subscribe. I'd love to have you subscribe, guys. I got 5 subscribers. I got a lot of views, but I'm not getting subscribers. But as long as you're coming to watch, that's all I care about. I'm here to make things entertaining for you all. Well, hit that like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Kansas Farm Guy. Have a good night.